I decided to use 1/4-inch acrylic, and using 1/4-inch acrylic actually created a composite, 2 separate frames that use the acrylic as a structural component of the panel itself. So that was unique. I was able to patent it and invent hardware that would work with that twin frame design to allow for a super lightweight, easy to operate, thin style and rail timber room dividing system. And this is just a quick demonstration. When you build a timber door, generally you have to build it strong enough to hold the glazing. And in our case, we just built 2 frames that actually encapsulate using the acrylic as a structural part of the frame. And when light hits the face of it, the edge glows like a ray of light, which is how we got the name Raydoor. And when we shorten the acrylic or polycarbonate on the bottom, that creates a natural channel for the guiding to occur. So if it's going to be a wall mount slider, or if it's going to be a telescoping wall to divide a larger space, that's the technology behind that. And so it just kept snowballing from there. And whenever architects and designers requested different ways to divide space, we just kept saying yes and engineering ways we could use that panel design to implement it. So you're looking at a photo of a millwork matched example of a sliding stacking system. That's actually parallel stacking. And again, you'll see there's no floor track there. So we've just been focused on that for the past 23 years.